Alright, today is Wednesday, September 26, 2018, and I started blocking this down. I got about 4 hours in it over 2 evenings, and the door's blocking down really good. I mean, I went ahead and just blocked all the 2K down, and we're left with, went through the 2K, went through the previous sealer, and we're down with the original primer, I guess, that somebody sprayed. So I guess whoever had this car previously, or whatever body shop did the work, they deemed the doors ready for paint because they were sealed, meaning they were bodywork blocked and sealed, ready for paint. So this rotisserie is really helping out. I can get down, get the car up at like face height and really see what I'm doing instead of hunched over on my back. So all that blocked down pretty good. And we got this here, which kind of hard to see, but there's still some guide coat in that gray, so that's a little low spot. We got a little low spot here. We got high, low, high. Same thing here, high, low, high. That's a high spot, a little bit of low. We had a little low spot here. Knock that down, but overall it's coming along pretty good. So like I said, it's 4 hours. I'm gonna finish this area up tomorrow. Hopefully have the other side done by Friday night. Alright, today is Thursday, September 27, 2018, and I just finished blocking down this one side. I did the whole side with 180, and man, I really got to say this rotisserie is like probably the second best thing that I own. First thing would be a compressor, but you just flip this thing up one notch. And it gets this area about face high for me, so you can really see what you're doing. Otherwise you'd be down about a foot off the ground trying to block this thing, and there's no way you're going to get it as straight as you would front face like that. But overall, there really wasn't much going on. This area needs a little bit of, honestly, I don't even know if that needs filler. That might just be another 2K coat, but I do have some real thin glaze. I might just skim that. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna block it down some more until I see some more bare metal on this and on this, and see what we got. But really liking this area right here because you're looking at two coats of material and solid metal. Same over here. This one you got maybe 3, 1, 2, and then the primer that I'm sanding, and then you got bare metal. The rocker's blocked down good. The hardest part on this was this lower section of the door right here, mainly because of the angle or the curvature of the metal. So we have a little bit right here going on, a little bit right there, but I mean, by far this is easy compared to other stuff that I've done. So we're looking at 6 hours. So I don't know what a body shop charges, but I figure I save a whole bunch of money doing that myself. And I didn't have to wait on anybody. I mean, if I don't want to come out here and do it, and I'm the only person to blame, so I like it like that. But gonna try and get this whole other side done tomorrow. Might be kind of tough, maybe get half of it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the doors off, and take the doors off, and I wasn't gonna mess with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and get all this bare metal with the doors off, bare metal, and get it in epoxy. So the door jambs will look, the end result will be a lot better. So, but I want to get this whole shell blocked with 180, and then put in 2K again and leave it alone. Take the doors off, do the jambs, epoxy, do the dash, do the trunk, do the hood, do the fenders, get everything in 180, and then 2K, and then 400 after that. So stay tuned.